Hi, this is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today we're doing Blooming Crazy. This is a short I did not too long ago. This is the creation. Going down now is my pillow paint, PPG Multi-Pro in eggshell. Color layers are going to go down without seeing. This is Sapphire by TLP. Next is Mermaid by TLP. To break it up a little bit, Titanium White by Amsterdam. Next is Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold by Golden. Next is Submarine by TLP. And finally, Teal by Golden. We got a little off center there. I think my tables might be just a little bit off balance. I'll have to check on that. So, activators. This is Lamp Black by Amsterdam. And this is Titanium White by Amsterdam. Both are mixed with 3 parts of Australian floetrol to 1 part plain paint. If there's anything here that you've missed, you can find it down in the description. And I have a series of videos that explain how I mix my paints and how I mix my pouring mediums and several other things. So check them out. Blowing out my petals, not having a very good success with that. It came out okay. I'm not unhappy the way this came out. This is not a perfect blow on a bloom at all. You know, just know that it does happen, and sometimes it's a happy coincidence that it comes out okay. Okay, time to spin this out, and I spun this out for quite some time. So I'm going to cut some of this out, speed some of it up. This is a short video today. And it's starting to look okay. I think it's about time for the flyover. You notice the color variation on this is very nice. If you found this video today useful, I'd invite you to give me a like, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and ring the bell for notifications of videos that I'll put out. It's my goal to put out at least 2 per week, and I hope you're finding them both enjoyable and useful. Thanks for being here. Bye now.